Rubik's Cube. We have the player, IQ, yellow, Gao. What's your color? Gain. And Eva? Blue. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, let's start. First phase. Oh, this is the first phase. Start now. Let's see who can make first. Who can make the first? Oh, go, 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 go. The first to make can have the card. Let's see. Same? Yes. Okay, Gao got first. Okay, Eva and Gain. Good job. IQ is still ready. Next phase is like this one. Let's see.
Finish.
Okay, Eva first. Gain almost, but very good gain. What happened, IQ? Okay. Next. Go. Same card. Same card. You have gain, no?
Okay.
There's a white here on the mouth, Gain.
Finish.
You go help Gain.
I get two.
Okay, help Tarty Gain, okay? Okay, Eva. Next phase. Ooh. Go.
Finish.
Oh, that is same. I think this is, no, the eyes. The eyes is not same.
Finish.
Oh,
Finish. Just finish first.
I arranged properly. Okay, Gain. Get the card, Gain. Next. Go. Next card. You help, Oscar. You help IQ. Your eyes?
Finish first. Finish.
No.
I have like that.
Look at the mouth. No. Eva first.
How we have like that? Oh yes, I also have.
Okay, the teeth is down. That's very small. Next. Go. Next. Okay. Very good. Who's first? Gain. Okay, ready. Next.
What?
Let me check. Okay, Gain first. It's okay. Okay, next. Go. Start with the eyes. Look for the eyes first. Eyes. Look for the eyes. Eyes. Who said finish first?
Finish.
Let's wait for... Okay, Gang say first. Next time I did not see it. Next. Go IQ. No? Gang, no?
Finish.
Again.
Finish.
Okay. Eva. Next. Go. Same eyes. Same eyes.
Finish.
Huh? No? The mouth, only the red one is on the...
Finish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Eva will stop now, okay? Go, you can still join. Go.
Finish.
Okay, how many gain now? Okay, Gain will stop, get the card, but you can still play because you have 5. Okay, next. You can still join. Go IQ and go.
Finish.
If Gao can have 3, you can join, get the card. IQ, go. Let's help IQ. IQ don't have a card.
Finish.
Okay. Make that one IQ. This is what we call cube. See, it is not flat. Okay, this one is square, but this is flat. This one is cube, it's not flat. So this is square, this is cube. Go IQ. Okay. Go. We'll have the card, the first one.
Finish.
Very fast. Why is Eva very fast? Second is Gain.
Because
You do 2 hands?
because I eat ice cream.
Oh, when you eat ice cream, you will be very fast? I don't think so. Maybe. The last one. Whoa. This is the face of Gain now. Yeah, Gain? Okay, go, Gain.
Finish.
Okay, so we have a winner, Eva. Second is Gain, Gao, and then IQ. It's okay.